so we finally decided what we're doing today. We're going to head down to breakfast, then we're going to get a little kayak and head over to the waterfall again, possibly Limone, depends what time we have, and then we're going to get a bus to the waterfall and then go to Arco to see the castle, and that is essentially our plan. So we've decided not to do the mountain biking, we kind of want to go and see what's around us instead. So I'll hopefully have some footage on vlogs of the waterfall. So yes, I will see you later. The castle at Arco. We're almost there, but this is the view, which is amazing. Hi everybody, so we made it up to the top and the castle is just directly behind me over there. I'm absolutely wrecked from climbing up here. It was such a height, so I'm going to pan around and show you the views and show you the castle as well. This is where we came from, down that town. The sun is high in the sky, it's about 30 degrees again. And that is the castle! We made it! We'll have a look around inside. Have to come up this bit, more climbing. Have fun. We find the bad guy from Ants. Can't remember his name. Ooh, exactly. Hi everyone, so I actually ended up not filming the rest of yesterday because my camera died before we got up to the castle, but we ended up not really going in anyway. What we did was we just went back to Riva and went to a little restaurant there, which was like the first proper authentic feeling restaurant I think I've been in. You know, Mama came and sat us in her little slippers and the food was amazing and proper authentic Italian food. So it was a really nice way to spend our last night. I'll probably not vlog today because it's our last day and we've just decided to chill out for the first time because we've been constantly on the go. So it's about 11 o'clock now and we're leaving at 3 p.m. So we just thought we'll chill out, relax, and then we're heading home. So we've had a really good trip. Can't wait to come back at some point. There's been so much to do and so much to see, and yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. I know I'm not like the best vlogger in the world because I get really embarrassed, especially public vlogging. I just feel like a douchebag standing with a camera in my face. But yeah, it's just to show you a bit of Italy, and I guess for me to look back and see what my little trip was like whenever I want to remember it. So yep, I hope you've enjoyed it and I will see you soon for my next video. Bye!